Alright, so we said that we created visual effects using Grok AI, and we can see that the quality is there, but it's not exactly 100% quality. Still, it can be used for short AI films, and it's a bit challenging to come up with the prompts. Somewhat labor-intensive and tricky to figure out how to make the image move in a certain scene. I had to repeat this process many times. By the end of this video, I'll give a tutorial on how to set prompts. I haven't included everything because we ran out of time creating the prompts, but I'll share some tips at the end of the video on how to do that and animate these kinds of videos. So that's it, and the quality is pretty good, even if it's not 100%. This is the Grok that we used, so as you can see, we've done a lot here and we have some effects. I really want to show that AI can create visual effects, and you'll see that we have a prompt at the bottom. We tried many iterations before we got it right, though it's not truly perfect. You'll see that there's also a prompt placed at the bottom, and if you'd like that prompt, you can just comment on my video below and I can share it with you. Our channel is still new and not very well known yet, so I hope there's interest, and I'll be happy to share the prompts once you comment. We created this helicopter here with a perfect prompt, and Grok is great, though it's not always 100% quality. Still, the motion is really creative. In my opinion, you just need to upgrade when you use Grok. Here, I'll give you a sample of how we set the prompt, like how we make the helicopter fly using a simple prompt with Grok AI. I'd love to continue this tutorial if there are viewers interested, so I hope you support it. For now, let's create a prompt. Just type something like helicopter and flyby, and that's it. It's a simple prompt, but Grok's output is still high quality. Check out the result. Let's go. And if you're interested in my VFX tutorial using AI prompts, then we'll create part 2 of the tutorial if there's enough interest in this video. Thank you for watching.